Hello, Tidet66 here, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve one of these. Step 1. You will find the color you wish to solve first. In my case, I will be doing white. What you must do then is find a corner with a white sticker on it and place it on the top layer like so. Now, there are 5 positions a corner can be in, and I will go through all those positions now. Here is position 1. To do position 1, here is position 2. Position 3. Position 4. And position 5. Step 2. Solving the top edge pieces. There are 5 different positions they can be in, and I will go through them now. Position 1. Position 2. Position 3. Position 4. And position 5. You should now have one entire face solved, along with the top layer on the adjacent 4 sides. Next video, I will be showing you how to solve the first 2 layers.